What's up, my XRP holders? So this is the exit chart. You can see here this time latest chart. You can see here our special crypto master make this chart, and I explain you in this video to what's going on next in upcoming days. They going up or they going down. So this is short video for everyone. Please understand to what's going on. Please don't sell it before watch this video. This is very important for every holder. Please understand, be safe from more loss. This time, if you can see here, guys, I can start this brand video, but I request you, please, if you are new on our channel and most welcome, please subscribe, click out the red button, and also like this video. Please like this video, complete 100 like in this video and complete my 10,000 subscribe. Hope you just do it, man. Okay, this time, if you can see here, and a previous and a first 7 days, very badly, they very fastly they're going up, my friends. You can see here they take a very high jumping. After, you can see here our special experts see this charts result, then we decide to they going up like this. Then exactly our target is very high. Our target as achievement, our target as, oh my goodness, our target is very high, minus 2 point, oh my goodness, oh sorry, 2.6115 US dollar as our target. And this time you can see here the current situation, the current result as 1.83612 US dollar as the current price. This is the exit value. You can see here, and the fails down. You can see here this time absolutely after very bad fails they take a very high jump. So this time you can see here this time they take a very bad fails, but this time also they going up like a rocket. So my friends, the big jump is coming soon. Wait for a good time, please. Don't sell it, hold it, and wait for a good time. Hope you understand, my friends, to what's going on next. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please subscribe our YouTube channel XRP Holder. If you are new, please like and subscribe and press bell icon for latest news and updates. Allah Hafiz, take care.